would have thought physical objects can be made through printers? Doesn't it feel like some magic? But yes, it's happening out there. The invention of 3D printers has made this possible. Back then, 3D printers were mainly used to make product models, but now it is also used to make final products too. The time couldn't get better to join the world of 3D printing or to upgrade. The printer can help you in making models, toys, hooks, stands, replacement parts for electronics, and many more things. In this video, we will show you the best 3D printers in the world. If you enjoy such content, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on bell notifications to never miss another upload of ours. Having said that, let us now check out the best 3D printers in the world. Number 12. Monoprice Cadet. It is a 3D printer designed for beginners who are just getting started. It is made while keeping safety points in mind. It can be assembled easily and gets detached too easily without using any hand tool. It is an FDM technology printer with a build volume of 100mm by 105mm by 100mm and a removable flexible platform and connects with microSD, USB, and Wi-Fi. It has a 3.25-inch LCD with a dial button and automatic bed leveling. Reasons to buy the Monoprice Cadet 3D printer are it provides fast and accurate auto leveling and safety features for beginners. Number 11. Anycubic Kobra Max. It is a huge 3D printer that requires 3 square feet of operating space. It is easy to assemble. We just need to fix some bolts and screws and it is ready to use in just 30 minutes. It can print helmets, props, and many more things. It is an FDM technology printer with a build volume of 400mm by 400mm by 450mm and a carborundum coated glass build platform and connects with a micro SD card and micro USB. It has a color touchscreen interface and automatic resistance strain gauge bed leveling. Reasons to go for this 3D printer are it has massive build size, accurate auto bed leveling, and build plate releases when it gets cool. Number 10. Elegoo Saturn. If you are looking for an effective yet affordable 3D printer, Elegoo Mars is the one for you. This 3D printer is a part of Elegoo Mars series, which is known for its build quality, reasonable prices, and above all, a great end product. It is a great product for beginners as well as for experienced users. It is an MSLA technology 3D printer that has a build volume of 192mm by 120 by 200 and has USB and Ethernet connectivity. Reasons to go for this 3D printer are it has an exceptionally large build volume to price ratio and it can print more parts in less time as compared to the Mars series. Number 9. Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K. If you're interested in printing models with lots of fine detail, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K will be the best for you. It provides high speed with great features. The Sonic Mini 4K can print high-resolution models thanks to its 4K mono LCD screen. It is an MSLA 3D printer with a build volume of 132mm by 74 by 120 and USB thumb drive connectivity. It's been tested that it can produce good features and has high XY accuracy. It helped users in multiple fields to print their desired models. Number 8. Anycubic Vyper. The Anycubic Vyper is a 3D printer designed for more manufacturing at a particular time and impressed us with its long-lasting build construction and amazing list of features. Vyper isn't that cheaper, but it has earned problem-free testing and provides a fast setup. It is an FDM technology printer with a build volume of 245mm by 245 by 260 and a heated textured flexible removable platform and connects with an SD card and USB. It has a 4.3-inch color touchscreen LCD and automatic bed leveling. Reasons to go for the Anycubic Vyper 3D printer are it has an automatic bed leveling system, fast printing, and advanced cooling design. Number 7. Anycubic Kobra Plus. When you want something good than the average 3D printer, the Anycubic Kobra Plus will be a great option for you. It's advised as a perfect tool for huge projects. It is an FDM technology printer with a build volume of 300 by 300 by 350mm and a carborundum coated glass build platform and connects with a micro SD card and micro USB. It has a color touchscreen and automatic resistance strain gauge bed leveling. Some of the reasons to go for this 3D printer are It has accurate auto bed leveling and is a lightweight printer with a high print speed. Number 6. Creality Ender 2 Pro. If you are looking for your first 3D printer and don't want to spend a lot of money, the Ender 2 Pro will be best for you. It weighs under 10 pounds and can be easily moved around. It is an FDM technology printer with an LED screen and control knob and has a build volume of 165 by 165 by 180 mm and a textured magnet on a heated bed build platform and connects with micro SD and micro USB. Ender 2 Pro has manual bed leveling. The main reasons for the Creality Ender 2 Pro is it has quality prints, easy to assemble, and has silent stepper motors. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K. If you are looking forward to accurate prints, this 3D printer can be your best choice. It comes fully assembled and is easy to use. Just assemble it according to the readings and ready to use. This MSLA 3D printer has an LCD screen size of 7.1 inch and operates at 7500 by 3240, which results in 0.22 mm XY resolution and connects with a USB thumb drive. The reasons to buy Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K 3D printer are: it has the highest resolution on the market, has a laser build plate for fixing, and it is pre-built to unbox, assemble, and ready to use. Number 4. Prusa MK3S Plus. Prusa MK3S Plus is considered the best 3D printer by specialists, and this 3D printer has also received many awards. The MK3S Plus is a powerhouse 3D printer that combines authentic hardware and feature-rich software. It is an FDM technology printer with an LCD screen size of 3.4 inch. It has a build volume of 250 by 210 by 210 mm and connects with an SD card and USB. It has a magnetic heat bed and removable PEI spring steel sheets. The list of features is really impressive. Prusa has developed their Slicer app, i.e. Prusa Slicer for processing 3D models. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 3. The Elegoo Neptune 3 offers a lot of amazing features, quality prints, and a tidy package. It comes in a mostly assembled way that we can just put together in just 20 minutes. You'll get auto bed leveling, an easy-to-remove flexible build surface, and a color touchscreen. It is an FDM technology printer with a color touchscreen, which is also removable. It has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 280 mm and connects with a micro SD and USB wire. It has automatic resistance strain gauge bed leveling with a build platform of PEI textured spring steel sheet. There are a lot of good reasons to buy this 3D printer, like it is easy to assemble, auto bed leveling, and dual gear extruder. Number 2. Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. If you're getting into resin 3D printing for the first time, the good news for beginners is you don't have to sacrifice your budget for quality. This MSLA resin 3D printer has an LCD screen of 6.08 inches and operates at 1620 by 2560 pixels, which results in 0.05 mm XY resolution and connects with USB. It also has a color touchscreen. Some of the amazing reasons to go for Elegoo Mars 2 Pro is it has a spring-loaded self-leveling build platform and an integrated air filtration system. Number 1. Creality's Ender 3 S1 Pro. It is the latest and most impressive iteration of the popular Ender 3 line. This 3D printer arrives fully loaded, delivering an out-of-the-box experience that is simple for beginners and powerful for experienced people too. It takes about 15 minutes to get them together. It is an FDM technology printer with a build volume of 220 by 220 by 270 mm and with PEI spring steel sheet, heated build platform, and connects with SD card, Type-C USB. It has a color touchscreen and CR touch bed leveling. The best reasons to go for Creality's Ender 3 S1 Pro are easy assembly, great print quality, direct drive, all-metal hot end, and auto bed leveling. So now, you can choose your 3D printer. Thanks for watching our video. For more such amazing videos, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss another amazing video from us. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon in the next video.